Looking for reliable firefighting equipment for your business? We are a leading manufacturer of high-quality fire sprinkler heads and fire butterfly valves with decades of experience. Fire safety starts here. Sprinkler heads and fire valves. Protecting what matters most.
Qingdao Flow Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer of valves. The products are applied in water treatment, HVAC, marine, oil, and gas. iFlow owns research and development team and is managed strictly under ISO 9001 quality control system. Our products are selling to more than 40 countries and Houston Shangri-La Hotel, Cary Center, Milan Expo, Fiat Workshop, IKEA. In addition, we have obtained CE, WRES, DMV, GL, LR, ABS certificates.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.